Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a jig so you can do hand cut dovetails on the bandsaw. Now it all starts with this little instrument right here. This is a dovetail guide made by Veritas. This is a 14-degree dovetail guide, and it is designed to mark up your work. If you prefer calculating your angles by ratio as opposed to degrees, you can also get it in 1:6 or 1:8 ratio. I prefer just getting the simple 14-degree version, and that's what I ordered. It cost me $8.50, a reasonable cost for what I can do with this, because not only will I use this to mark my hand-cut dovetails, I will also use this in building a jig that will facilitate cutting those dovetails on the bandsaw. Now, of course, you can cut the dovetails by hand using a good handsaw and some chisels, etc. You're still going to need to do some cleanup using the bandsaw. However, it's a lot less work, and doing the bandsaw method, I seem to be able to get through it a lot faster than just using hand tools alone. So I did a little test with a single dovetail on two pieces right here. So I cut my dovetail first and I cut my pins on the bandsaw. This was just done freehand. I did use the dovetail guide to get the angle right. The challenge comes in when you're trying to maintain the angle cutting the pins. In theory, it should be pretty easy on the bandsaw if you can just maintain the angle all the way through. Same goes for the dovetail itself. Those angles need to match up if you want a good fit. Now, if you can get that right, you can always get your dovetails right. This test joint is not a bad fit. However, I know I can do just a little bit better, and if I'm working with multiple dovetails, it might get more challenging when I try to freehand it. So hopefully, this new jig that I'm building today will solve a lot of these problems and make the work go a little faster. So with that, let's get to it. My dovetails are done. Now on to the pins. doing it on the bandsaw facilitates a much faster cleanup. As you can see, I still had to use my coping saw and a chisel to get in there and clean out some of the waste, but it was a relatively quick and straightforward process. And in the end, I've got some decent hand-cut dovetails that I did on the bandsaw with a minimum of pain. Not bad for a guy who doesn't really do them on a daily basis. I want to take this opportunity to thank everybody who's donated to this channel through my donation page or through Patreon. It's because of you I'm able to continue to make and edit these videos. If you want to donate to this channel, head on over to my donation page right over here. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. There are a couple more videos on this side you can watch. Until next time, thanks for watching and have a great day.